the city bird.
Oh, but when does the birdie come out?
Sissy, I know that you really like birds, but believe me, this bird isn't going to fly. It's a pretend bird. The cuckoo has reminded me that it's time for recess. Come on, time to play.
I gotta see the duckies. Yes, I like that one.
This one? Or this one? Huh? Oh.
Huh? The little birdie is sick.
We have to get to him right away.
Super cute little hero!
Super cuties, let it meet you. Join us and save the world. Super cuties.
Come on, that little bird deserves a better place to live. Your planet is in danger. Super cuties, we're counting on you. Wasn't there a better exit?
Come on, Sophie, don't worry. You still look pretty.
The bird is up on the balcony. He's coughing because of the car exhaust. And they should ride more bicycles in the city. But look, he's not alone. He's taking care of those eggs. And in those eggs are babies.
Then we have no time to lose. Let's fly!
Hello, my friend. We've come to help you out. I think that you could use a nice bath. Right, Kala? Exactly what I was thinking. Oh?
Don't you worry. I have another friend who makes really beautiful nests. Sophie, you think you could make one?
You know me. I love to design. Hey, girls. How about if we take this bird someplace without smog? Yes! For clean air, the only solution is to prevent too much air pollution.
Come on, girls. Today we're going to make a mural about modes of transportation. Do you know what vehicle contaminates the air the least?
The bicycle!
Good job, girls. Aren't these little ones just the smartest?
Remember, if you take care of your planet, it'll take care of you. Here's our eco-advice of the day.
Pollution is invisible, but the little birds in your city still notice it. Traffic and factories are causing more and more air pollution in the cities. To avoid this, you can do something super fun. Take more public transportation, ride a bike or a scooter. You'll have a great time.
Yes! For clean air, the only solution is to prevent too much air pollution.
Super cuties, super little heroes.
Now you and your super cute are ready to save the planet.